morning, guys. Today is January 13th, and today's devotional is about the power of ambition. 1 Thessalonians chapter 4, verses 10 through 12. We urge you, brothers and sisters, to make it your ambition to lead a quiet life. You should mind your own business and work with your hands, just as we told you, so that your daily life may win the respect of outsiders, and so that you will not be dependent on anybody. 1 Corinthians chapter 12, verses 30 and 31. Do we all have the gift of healing? Do we all have the ability to speak in the unknown languages? Do we all have the ability to interpret unknown languages? Of course not. So you should earnestly desire the most helpful gifts. Proverbs chapter 21, verse 21. Whoever pursues righteousness and love finds life, prosperity, and honor. Romans chapter 15, verse 20. My ambition has always been to preach the good news where the name of Christ has never been heard, rather than where a church has already been started by someone else. In Philippians chapter 2, verses 3 and 4. Let nothing be done through selfish ambitions or conceit, but in lowliness of mind, let each esteem others better than himself. Let each of you look out not only for his own interests, but also for the interests of others. And at the bottom it says, what is your ambition? Are you allowed to live an ambitious life? Ambition is good if it drives you to live in humility with God's special assignment for your life. Let your greatest ambition be to serve with the gifts and talents that you have received. Ambition becomes negative when you drive it in a self-centered way and at the expense of other people for your own glory and achievement. Be careful that your ambition doesn't hurt people along the way, but rather serves them. And I like that one for today too. But that is our daily devotional for today. I am working on another video. Hopefully I'll get it out for you today. But I love you guys. Be blessed. Have a blessed day. As always, give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Let me know if you're liking these devotionals or not. And like, share, and subscribe. The only way they get out is if you share them. And join us on Discord, or the Disciple server. The app is called Discord, but it's the Disciple server. Links in the description. There's lots of Bible studies and things going on there. Not just me, but Laura, Christine, Jess, they all do Bible studies also. So join us on there. And if you join, send me a message on there and let me know that you come from YouTube. But I love you guys and have a very blessed day. Thank you once again for your prayers. Bye, guys.